That person doesn't exist anymore. Today I'm going to recreate the past. I can't get my old life back. We tell ourselves a story. My life before my wife died. That person doesn't exist anymore. What can I build from here? I think I spent a long time trying to get my old life back. Not consciously. I never woke up and said, today I'm going to recreate the past. But every day I measured the present against what used to be. The routines, the conversations, the person I used to be. Then one day it hit me. I can't get my old life back. Truth is, I can't even get yesterday back. None of us can. Yesterday's gone. Whether yesterday was wonderful or terrible, it is gone. And that's kind of all there is to it. Sobering when you realize that, freeing once you believe it. I spent a lot of time thinking about that because after a major loss, or honestly big major events, we tell ourselves, if I could just get back to normal. And what we mean by that in my particular case or this scenario, if I could get back to the me I was before I retired, I thought that'd be pretty cool. Before caregiving, before end of life type health issues entered my life, before my wife died, that person doesn't exist anymore. That me does not exist anymore. And that's just all there is to it. And I think that's a good thing. And it's not because I failed. It's because life kept moving and it didn't wait for me. It doesn't wait for any of us. But sometimes you get fooled into thinking maybe it would, right? But you're not the same person you were yesterday. You're not the same person you were 10 years ago, 5 years ago, or even last week. Not really. I think this is where a lot of us get stuck, or at least I did. We're trying to return to a place that just no longer exists. Like, driving up to a house that you used to live in as a kid only to find out that it's been demolished. You can stand there in the driveway, or what used to be the driveway, and wish it was there, but wishing doesn't make it there, does it? I realized something uncomfortable. I wasn't grieving only for my wife. I was grieving for a version of myself that disappeared with her. Didn't realize at the time. But it was the guy who thought that he knew what tomorrow was going to look like. Then I asked myself a different question. What if the goal isn't getting my old life back? What if that's the wrong assignment? What if the real challenge is building a life that has never existed before? And we do this all the time, but we don't know it when we're doing it. I'll be honest, I didn't like that answer because starting over at 25 sounds adventurous. Starting over in your mid 60s, there's no romance about that. There's just nothing fun there. But life doesn't ask our permission, does it? Simply hands us another chapter, and there you go. And I have noticed that every meaningful change I've ever happened the day after I stopped asking myself, how do I get back? Instead, I started asking, what can I build from here? What can I build from here? And that's how this YouTube channel started, not because I had it all figured out, quite the opposite. I started because I didn't have it all figured out. Every video, every conversation, every comment from someone who says, I thought I was the only one. It's a part of life I never imagined. Not a replacement, just another chapter. I have memories of my old life. They bubble up from time to time and probably always will. But it doesn't mean I want to live there. I mean, occasionally I visit, but I don't want to live there. And none of us gets to live in yesterday. Not the good days, not the bad days. All you have are the memories of them. The only place we can actually live is today. And maybe that's what healing really is figuring out that you have today and tomorrow, whatever you decide you want to do then. But it's not getting back to who you were. It just isn't. But you can become someone that your former self could have never imagined. I don't know exactly who that person is yet for myself, and I'm sure you don't either. But I'm starting to think that's okay. That's okay. That's the adventure. We talk a lot about that kind of stuff around here. If that sort of thing interests you, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Come on back. Take care. See you later.